There's too many snakes or snitch. So I went up to late and 6 form. I fast forward to late 06 morning. In the days I was very so quick, I'll admit. I thought I became so slick. I walked with the latest clothes. I had my cane rolls and the braids or twists. The payroll, I paid for this. I bought a firearm and I paid for clips. But if you live by the gun, then you die by the gun. So I knew one day I'm gonna pay for this. But thank God for my faithful sis. Thank God. She reached for her dust, bro. Cause even when I blasphemed Christ, she still made time to preach me the gospel. I was a lost soul, I was lost in the lust world. In the lust world, I was lusting for enough girls. But I was still empty inside until I met Christ, who sent me his bride, his church. At worst I was worthless, at first he reversed the curse from my first sinful birth. The first Adam ate from the tree, but through the second I can turn 180 degrees. So, if you've ever heard of Christ, you better take heed. He's got the words of life. From the hearse we rise, we don't even die. That's right. John 11 verse 25. I couldn't write a song for every verse of these lines. Cause in my life, I know that my soul's clean. From my past when I sold weed, I was a murderer, but I won't proceed. Nah, cause no Christ, no peace. But if there's no Christ, then there's no peace. I got married in July 012. Shalom to my wife, I know peace. Oh please, I go breathe when I'm empty. Look, the OT to the NT. I'm making sure the new me is full, cause I want the old me to be empty.